Hey guys, this is PaidTrader here. It's Mo. I just want to continue to go over exactly what we're looking for in terms of our PaidTrader London Fade trade. This is actually probably my favorite trade. Simple, easy, clear, um, and accompanied with the PTFX profit tool, you should have no problem doing well. So let's go over this real quick. So we're looking to basically fade the London Open. So what we're looking for here is, okay, so this is 4 o'clock, which is midnight New York. That's when the day starts. Okay. Some use the GMT, some use New York close, midnight. I like New York midnight maybe because I'm from New York. So what we're looking for is really looking for the range between 0 and 4. 0 and 4. So we're looking for the high and the low. That's our opening range. Okay? So as you can see, we got to break north of the range. Okay? So now what we're ideally looking for is for the price to move up, one deviation from the range. So basically take the range and then just put it on top of it. It's super simple. And then from there, looking for the opposite color candle to form, such as this red Heikin-Ashi candle. I like Heikin-Ashis. They kind of clear the noise a little bit, well, quite a lot actually, and keeps you in trades a little bit longer. So this broke up, and then as you can see, we got our signal here. Next, the next bar that opened, we put an order in to short, and as you can tell, our profits were easily made. You can do it one of two ways in terms of how you take your profits. You can either shoot for a straight 30 pips. I'm trading this on the pound dollar. I focus on that. Or another great way to do it is use the ADR, the average true range. And that I'll show you a little bit more about in the next video. So as you can see, it's super simple, super easy to implement. But the question is, now you have to take action and do this. If you're even just trading this alone, you should do well. But with the PTF FX profit tool, that's a mouthful. You should be, able to exponentially grow your um, your profit base. So, okay, anyway, so open range break goes into at least one deviation of the range, and then change of the Heikin-Ashi bar. It also helps. We want to be aware of any other support or resistance that may be potentially setting up. We want to also take a look at, I usually do the top down approach. Usually start right over here with the daily chart. And as you can see, this daily chart shows some resistance right up in here. And then as you can see, the price, tested it, kind of backed off a little bit. Now, next week, let's see if it continues on a trajectory downward. I'll be curious to see how that pans out next week. Okay, so that's the daily. Then I come down to the 1 hour, and that's when I break it down even more. And as you can see, we have some resistance. Okay, and then you have some more resistance, support, triggering resistance, back down. So now you have this area of support. Let's see if this holds. I'm thinking not, but no one knows exactly where the market's going. We trade on probability here and behavior. So, and then down to the 15-minute where we actually take our trades. Okay, so that is what's going on here, guys, and just look out for the next video. Really excited to work with you guys. I really, really am.